guys, good morning, good afternoon, whatever time it is for you. I know we just made a squishy unboxing, but now we're gonna make another squishy organization video because these are filled with like some stuff that don't need to be squishies. To be putting my squishies in. We're going to be putting my squishies in this brother by color order. I know it says Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, a weekend. We're also going to be doing it by color. We're going to be doing it by color, and also if we want to play with it Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday or Friday. And for the weekend is like multiple colors, like vibrated colors. Like this will be in weekend. This will be in weekend. This will be in weekend. And like these will be in weekend. So yeah, we're gonna put them in weekend. First, I like to keep some of my squishies clean. I said some of them. So I'm just gonna wrap the bear up back in his wrapper. Because sorry, my mom's here talking. I'm putting them in the weekend drawer. Sorry, you guys. And I'm like, since there's no purple, or pink, sorry guys, purple or pink, I'm gonna just like put them in. I'll play with these on Thursday. I'll play purple and pink on Thursday. So I'll put them in Thursday because that's the closest to pink they have. And purple. Oh my God. Okay, for Friday, let's see what I have for Friday. Like, you make Friday red. She has all my red squishies. Oh my gosh, guys, this bunny matches perfectly with Thursday. Now you can feel like you're doing this with me. Okay, you guys can feel you're doing this with me. So, does this count as red? I think it counts as pink. These are going to be in red. Look up. Red. I'll play with these on Friday. And then for Wednesday, it's like yellowish. So, I'm organizing in the baskets. So like yellowish and oranges, I'll putting this guy in there and this like really nice ice baby. I'm not sure if this guy will fit. Oh, he does perfectly. For Tuesday, like green stuff. I think I have lots of green stuff. I got 3 green stuff. This I think this might count as blue. So. Monday is going to be blue. Three blues. I mean 4 blues actually. So, I forgot about orange. So, orange is going to go with red. Because, yeah, I only have 2 oranges. And, yeah, guys. So, I'm going to show you what I have in here. So Monday, it's like blue squishies. I got, so let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blue squishies. Got 3 green squishies. Oh my god, sorry guys. 3 green squishies on Tuesday. Lower it down. We got 2 orange and yellow squishies. 2 orange and yellow squishies. And Wednesday, doesn't that kind of look like orange to me? It does. On Thursday, it's pink and purple. We got, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 9 in there on Thursday. Oh my god, close Wednesday. And on Friday, it's blue. We got red. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 on Friday. On weekend, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4 on weekend. Oh, I got a dupe in red. So, we got red. I got dupes, so I might fidget trade. Fidget trade with someone. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Guys, always remember, you're a star and you're loved. Bye!